Remember this, that satisfying click-clack of a physical keyboard, the little red light blinking, telling you you've got a message. And that feeling of absolute productivity, of being a total boss. Yeah, you thought it was dead. You thought it was a relic of the past. Well, think again, because BlackBerry is officially back from the digital grave. And this time, they're not playing around. Get ready for the BlackBerry Evolve 5G 2025. This isn't just a phone, it's a full-blown revival for everyone who's ever missed the golden age of communication. A beast of a phone that looks incredible and feels even better. So, are you ready to welcome this epic comeback? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the story of the new BlackBerry Evolve 5G. So let's start. Features of the BlackBerry Evolve 5G. The design and the display. First off, let's talk about the design. It's got that iconic BlackBerry style. But the real star here, the display. It's a compact 4.53-inch screen, but it's now got a buttery smooth 90Hz refresh rate. So scrolling, swiping, and everything in between feels incredible. And of course, the legend is back. That physical keyboard. We're not talking about some cheap, mushy keys. This is that classic, tactile, satisfying keyboard you've been dreaming of. And yes, the blinking LED notification light is back to keep you in the loop, just like the good old days. Camera. Who says a keyboard phone can't take insane photos? This thing packs a massive 100-megapixel main camera. You're not just taking pictures, you're capturing pro-level moments. And for all you selfie lovers, the 16-megapixel front camera ensures you always look sharp and ready for your close-up. Performance. Under the hood, this thing is a monster. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. That means multitasking is seamless, apps open instantly, and you'll never have to worry about lag. Plus, it runs on full Android with the Google Play Store, so you get all your favorite apps and games with zero compromise. Yes, it can run Genshin Impact, but let's be real, you're here for that keyboard life. Battery backup. The cherry on top. Battery anxiety is officially a thing of the past. The 4400 mAh powerhouse inside this phone is built for productivity, not for sitting on a charger. We're talking up to 3 days of juice on moderate use. Unplug and get stuff done. Price and launch date. Big question, what's the price? Get this, it's expected to cost just $500. For this much nostalgia and power, that's an absolute steal. There's no official word on the launch date yet, but all signs point to this phone hitting the market and making serious waves in the last of 2025.